How to fix the Mail app is not working on your MacBook computer. So if you're unable to open the Mail app, or just your email accounts are not working inside of the app, then I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Apple logo and press Force Quit. You can then click on the Mail app, click on Force Quit, and press the Force Quit button. Once you've done this, click on the Apple logo again, and then press System Settings. You can then click on General from the left-hand side, click on Software Update, and ensure your MacBook computer is fully up to date. So if there's any updates here, you'll need to go and install these now, as this can sometimes fix software issues on your computer. Now once you've done this, on the left-hand side, scroll down to Internet Accounts. Now go and select your Mail account, and then you can try deleting your account, and then just go and press OK. Once it's been deleted, click on Add Account, and then you can go through the steps to re-add your email account. So you may need to click on Choose from a list. You can select your email provider, and you can go and re-add your email account. Once you've done this, try opening up the Mail app and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, click on the search box at the top of the page, search for Activity Monitor, and open up this app. Now go and make the window full screen like this. Click on the drop-down arrow and press System Diagnostics. Now press OK. You may need to enter your Mac password, and you can wait for your computer diagnostics to run. Now if it's still not working but you can open up the Mail app, then once you're in Mail, click on the Mail button, click on Settings, click on General, and make sure Mail is selected for the default email reader. Make sure Check for New Messages is set to automatically. You can then click on Accounts, and make sure you have your email account set up correctly. You can then close out of this window, click on Mailbox, click on Synchronize, and go and select your email account from the list. Once you've gone through all of these steps, you can try restarting your computer, and the Mail app should now be working.